welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we disable eye care mode setting in our Infinix phone. As you can see your phone screen color is different because of guys eye care mode setting is enabled. Friends you want to disable your eye care mode settings, so then how can you disable in your Infinix phone eye care mode? In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when we will on our phone setting to disable eye care mode setting, then guys scroll it. As you can see guys, your display and brightness setting, guys tap here, guys click on your eye care mode setting. Friends you can see this icon on your screen, so you will have to click here, then guys your eye care mode will disable, then guys you cannot use this brightness setting guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to disable eye care mode setting in our Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video guys. Do you have any doubt related to guys your display and brightness setting guys, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye, and before going please go and like the video.